Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to do a mail merge in the new Outlook. It's a simple and professional way to send personalized emails to multiple people at once. Now that we're on the Outlook dashboard, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the new mail button. That's where we usually start composing an email. But today, we're doing something a little different. Just to the right of the send button, you'll notice a small drop-down arrow. Click that arrow and from the menu, select Start Mail Merge. Once you click it, Outlook will take you to a special mail merge section. Here, you can add multiple recipients. For example, if you want to send the same message to 3 different people, just enter their email addresses in the recipient field. Now, here's the best part. When you send the email, each recipient will only see their own address, not the others. This keeps your communication private, clean, and professional. It's a great feature for newsletters, event invitations, or client updates, where you want to maintain privacy while sending bulk messages efficiently. And that's it. You've successfully initiated a mail merge in the new Outlook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.